In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. So in order for us to get this done, say for example, you want to hide everything, what you can do is just right click on an empty space and then you're going to click view, and then you have here show desktop icons. It is checked, so make sure that it is unchecked, just like so. And then what you can do, say for example, if you want to bring them back, is just basically do the same thing. And then here I'm going to go ahead and click show desktop icons. But say for example, you just want to remove one of which, say for example, Spotify, I want to remove this one or hide this. The first thing that I can do is identify that it is a shortcut. You can see that it is a shortcut when it has this kind of like arrow here. You can go ahead and delete that safely. There you go. And then in order to bring that back, you can go ahead and click the Windows icon here, and then we're just going to go ahead and look for Spotify, just like so. And then what you can do is just drag it by clicking and holding the left button on your mouse and then dragging it somewhere, say for example here, just like so. You can see that it is now back in here. So yeah, that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.